Hey everyone, and welcome to this real life clean with me video, and we're also going to be doing some decorating, so if that interests you, make sure you stick around. This is actually 2 days of cleaning motivation, and I really wanted to get the house picked up because we had a ton of things that we were going to be doing this weekend. Kennedy had her Christmas pictures, and we also had to do a birthday party this weekend. All fun stuff, so I wanted to make sure that I was actually able to enjoy this weekend, and I wanted to just reset the house and get everything under control. As usual, we're starting in the kitchen. I feel like I always start here, but it's just because I get so motivated to tackle the rest of the house when my kitchen is clean. But today I wanted to start by unloading the dishwasher just so I could load it right back up, and then I could tackle some other dishes and get the sink cleaned.
Hey boy, do you see me? Hey boy, do you see me over here? Like what you're getting?
A little bit of a side tangent. I know some of you saw that I posted on my story about how we're going to be in Disneyland next Thanksgiving, and we're so excited because Kennedy is going to be her first trip to Disneyland, and my family, we're a bunch of Disney lovers. We are always there. I actually haven't gone since October of 2019, and I don't think that you understand how long that is for me to go without going to Disneyland. As many of you know, I've lived in California my entire life. I'm a total California girl, so Disneyland is part of my heart and soul, and I want my little Disney princess to join in on the fun, and under 3 is free if you don't know, since I'm a Californian. I obviously have all the Disney details memorized, but if you take your kids when they're still under 3, you don't need to get them a ticket. Well, you do, but it's free. I don't know if that makes any sense, but so that's a really good time to go, is just before they age out of that group, because even though they're really little, I think that it just makes it more magical. My little cousins went when they were so little, and I was probably about 2.5 when I went to Disneyland for the first time, and my parents said that I just thought it was so magical. But the funny thing is, even though we are in California, we're in Northern California and Disneyland is in Southern California, so we still have an 8-hour drive, which I'm not looking forward to with a toddler. It's probably going to turn into a 9-hour drive because my little cousins are coming and their kids too, and sometimes it takes a little bit longer when you have little kids. We consider flying, but that is almost less appealing to me with a toddler. But let me know if you have any tips for driving, because I'm already dreading that drive and it is a year away. Is anyone else here a Disneyland fan, or is it just me? I'm sure it's not, but let me know in the comments because I would be happy to talk more Disney on my channel. Now moving on to my stovetop, I think that there were some really kind of gross burnt on stuff, and I don't even know how it happened because I don't remember cooking anything that was super sticky or that I burnt or anything like that. And you guys know I clean this pretty regularly, so it's just crazy how things can just build up. But now I'm moving on to clearing off my countertops. Stuff was left out from breakfast, so I'm just gonna quickly put that away. And also we got this brand new Ninja. It's like a 12 function stuff. It has like a rice maker, air fryer, it has a slow cooker, pressure cooker, everything that I could ever want. So give me some recipes. If you have any slow cooker in particular recipes that are vegetarian, let me know. And here's another Black Friday purchase. We couldn't leave our kitty out, so we got her an automatic feeder. I feel like our countertops are becoming the dumping ground for stuff, and I'm really trying to let that not happen. And that little drawer right below the counter is becoming a junk drawer, and I promised myself I was not going to let that happen. So there is a kitchen declutter coming really, really soon where we're going to be organizing and doing all that kind of stuff. Let me know if that's something that you enjoy. Okay, so I just got back from Target and I got a couple of things to decorate this situation since I've already burned through one candle. So all of what you see on the table right now is all $5 or under. And also I'm a little bit plugged up, so sorry about that. I know I sound a little bit yucky right now. And now I'm sitting, but I have to build it. So I got some of these from the Target dollar spot, and get ready for some first world problems because I wanted another one of these, but this is the only one that I could find. So I'm gonna keep my eye out for it, and I might get another one. And here's this adorable little greenhouse display, and I got some fake snow for it. I've never worked with fake snow before, so we're gonna see how this goes. And actually, since recording that little part, I have now burned through 2 Christmas candles. So hopefully there'll be another Bath & Body Works little shopping trip in my future. I know that Candle Day is coming up because one of my friends told me, and I'm really excited about that. But let me know if there is a scent that I did not get this Christmas that I should definitely try. Hey, moment of truth, and I don't think it's gonna fit. I had such hopes for it too. I'm trying to think if I have something or not. I might. So this might be a DIY fail. I don't know how I could find a house small enough. So that's kind of what I was looking at there. I don't know if I could find one that's small enough. It would look dumb if I just put the whole car in there. I think it looks a little dumb. So this whole situation isn't gonna work, but I will put this aside because I'll use it. I'll find something that goes there. And I'll probably shuffle around later, but we're gonna put this off to the side for right now. We'll probably heat this out. Target dollar spot for the win this year. If you haven't checked it out, make sure you go check it out because they have such cute items and they're so cheap, and I just love them all so much. And all that fake snow made a huge mess on my kitchen table, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that down again, and then you'll see the finished product in a minute that I ended up putting together. I had that gold charger for a while, and I decided to follow the rule of 3s, and that little red ornament that I originally left in the greenhouse actually made a cute little third item, and I actually love how it looked. I wish that I had like a silver charger, but I think the gold looks okay, and there's gold in the living room, so it actually kind of ties it all together. And if you haven't seen my Christmas clean and decorate, make sure that you head over there next and check it out. I'll actually link it in the description below. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. So now we are on day 2 of our clean, and I wanted to tackle Kennedy's bathroom. It rarely gets used, which you're not going to believe in a second, because there is a bunch of hard water right around where the water ends, the water line, and you can see it right now. I know it looks gross, but I promise it's just some hard water. And PSA, I splashed a little bit on myself there with that toilet bowl cleaner, and it irritated my hand, and it was all my fault for being stupid and not wearing gloves. But learn from me, don't let my mistake be your mistake, always wear gloves. Never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. Now moving on to Kennedy's Vanity. Again, it only ever gets used when she takes a bath, so sometimes guests will use it though, and there was a little bit of toothpaste from one of our guests. It was actually my best friend. I'm gonna put her on blast. She brushed her teeth here, which is perfectly fine by the way, but I did just want to go ahead and get it cleaned up.
missing pavement on my own. 'Cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you shown me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite.
And I wanted to quickly get Kennedy's room picked up just because I really hate when she goes to sleep in a messy room. I know that I don't like to sleep in a messy room, and I assume that it's the same for her. It might not be, but mommy feels better when it's nice and clean. And this cute little deer pillow was only $5 at the Target dollar spot. And I am gonna switch her sheets because it was clean sheet day, so the Christmas sheets are going off and then her regular ones are gonna go on until they're washed, which sometimes makes me really sad because I just love her Christmas sheets so much. And always remember, if you need more cleaning motivation, I have an entire cleaning playlist linked below, and I also have a decorating playlist linked below since we did a little bit of that today. And I hope that if you like cleaning and decorating, you'll hit the thumbs up button, and also make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can join our awesome community, and it really helps my channel grow. And I will see you back here really soon for another video. Bye, beauties!